Hi! So today we will be talking about quantum theory. So first we're going to talk about Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr was a scientist and he wanted to take a hydrogen atom and wanted to show how electrons move. So this inner electron is calm and that would be the ground state, and this outer electron is excited and full of energy. So he wanted to know what happens when the excited state goes back to the ground state. And he showed this with this, which is E equals hv. Over here, he showed how when the photons are released, they release these like lines, and the ultraviolet lights and infrared lights are the ones that like we can't see. And so he like showed like where they are coming and going when we can see the light. Next, we have Louis de Broglie, and he was a scientist over here. Looked really interesting. And he showed that some parts of Bohr's model were true, and he said that it had to be an odd number of wavelengths, and light has both wave and particle characteristics. He also said that all moving particles have wave characteristics, and certain amounts of radius have certain frequencies, and he came up with a principle, and that's wavelength equals Planck's constant over the mass of the object times the frequency. Next, we have Heisenberg, who is over here. And he, like a lot of people didn't like him, and he was the one who said that you can't measure the position and energy of an electron at the same time because you can't mess with both of them at the same time. Because if one moves, the other will move, so you can never get the correct answer. Finally, we're going to talk about Erwin Schrödinger, and he focused on wave function. And he found that there was a higher chance of finding these electrons closer to the nucleus, which is shown here. Because and these are like the electron clouds. So the closer to the nucleus, the more electrons. And that is it. Thank you.